Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this kind of application. You can make this kind of application using your mobile phone. It's very easy to make this kind of application. I'm going to show you a step-by-step strategy to make this application. You can upload here your own image. Now you can edit your image. After editing image, you can click here to save this image. Let me show you how you can make this kind of app. You need to watch this full video. Before we start, I want you to please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Guys, first of all, you can go on DeepSeek platform and you can type here this kind of prompt. Make color filling app. Add 5 drawing images to fill colors by myself. Use HTML, CSS and JS in single file. Make it for mobile touch screen. Here you can see this platform has generated code. You can click here to preview this code. Here you can see this application is not looking great. I'm going to add more feature on this app. In next step, you can type here another prompt. You can type here this kind of prompt. Here you can see enhanced version. You can click here to preview this code. Now I'm going to add here more feature. Here you can see I have given third prompt. Great, but it's opening only one image. Second image not opening. Also it has only 2 images. Here is showing enhanced version. You can click here to check this code. Here you can see DeepSeek platform has added more images. Similarly, you can add multiple features in your application. Here you can see fourth prompt. Great, also add self-upload image in second screen. That we can upload my any image and fill color. It should work in third screen. Also add save button in third screen and undo and redo icon. Here is the enhanced version with all requested features. Image upload, save functionality and undo redo buttons. Click here to check this code. Now it's looking great. Here is showing upload image option. Here is showing save button. You can click here to save this image. Guys, you can see its interface is not looking great. I'm going to change its interface. You can type here another prompt. Everything is great. Now make attractive interface of screen 1, 2 and 3. Also add 20 complex images in second screen. Also decrease images box size. It should look in one page. Here is the enhanced version. You can click here to check this code. Yeah, here we go. You can see my application is looking attractive. Here is showing 20 images and here is showing upload your own design option. You can click here to upload your own design or you can open any of this design to color it. You can see everything is working well. My application is looking attractive. After designing your image, you can click here to save this image. Guys, you can also add more features in your application. You just need to type your prompt. Like you can type your add more tools and features, add more images, add animation tools. You can type your anything. Now in next step, what you will have to do is you can use this HTML to make application. You can visit on 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 platform. This is a great and trusted platform. You can make your app for Android phones and tablets. It's free. You can also earn money by showing ads. You can show AdMob ads. You can show Unity ads. First of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can click on sign up button. It will then take you to this page. You can type here your name. You can select here your country. You can type here your email address and password. You can click here to accept its terms of service. And at last you can click on send button. I have already created account on this platform. I'm going to sign in. Now click on create app button. Type your app name. You can type here anything. Now you can upload your app icon. You can click here to upload your own app icon, or you can click on choose from gallery button. Here you can see there are lot of app icons. You can choose any of this app icon. Now you can select your language. You can type your app description. Now click on next button. Click on create an empty app button. Click on go to app manager button. Now click here. Click on menu type button. You can select here this option. Now click on save button. Click on sections. Click on create section button. Click on HTML button. Click here. Click on next button. Type your section title. Now you can paste here that HTML code. You can go on DeepSeek platform. You can click here to copy this HTML code. Now go on App Creator 24 platform. You can paste here that HTML code. At last, you can click on save button. If you want to display ads on your application, then you can click on ads button. Here you can see you can display AdMob ads, App Next ads, Star.io, Unity ads, Monetize, or Montage ads. You need to paste your ad unit ID of AdMob banner ads, App Next Placement ID, Star.io App ID, Unity Ads Game ID. You can paste your placement ID. You can paste your ad unit ID of AdMob interstitial ads. You can paste your ad unit ID of AdMob native ads. You can paste your ad unit ID of AdMob rewarded video ads. After completing it, you can click on save button. Now you can click on download app button. Here is showing download button. You can click here to download your application in APK format, or you can scan this code to download your application. After downloading your application, you can install it in your Android device. Guys, it's very easy to make Android application. You can use DeepSeek platform to generate HTML code for any kind of application. Now you can visit on App Creator 24 platform to make that HTML code into Android application. Your application will look like this. You can use your mobile phone to make Android application. Guys, if you are interested in app development, game development, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.